Well, hello, my name is Tom Stark, and today I am going to do a quick tutorial on Canva and Canva 2.0. It's a recent upgrade for Canva. They're beta testing the 2.0 right now, and it's the more I look at it, the more impressed I am with the new features that they have. I've been using Canva for a little over 2 years, and to be honest with you, I didn't understand the full power of what their program has to offer. So initially, I was using, I'd upload photographs, my own photographs. I would add text images to them. Wasn't using the element functions, or wasn't using a lot of the background features, things like that. I was simply uploading photos. I would put text in them, download it in a PNG format, and then I would put it out on Twitter, put it out on Facebook, or whatever the purpose for it had was at that point. Recently, I'd say recently over the last 4 or 5 months, I began to explore more of what's inside of Canva. And so I've begun to use the presentation function, the presentation mode quite a bit. I've designed some business cards and some other kind of things that I've been really impressed with the ease and the functionality of it. So I noticed when I was on Canva the other day that they are beta testing Canva 2.0. So I wanted to review that with you guys quickly. It's a design tool that's got a lot of new features to it, and it's faster, it's more reliable than what the previous version was, and you can design almost anything and publish from almost anywhere. So you can use it from your phone, your iPad, your laptop, your desktop computer, whatever it is you happen to be using. They have a mission, and like a lot of people, their mission is to empower folks. That's part of what I like to do. It's what I think I do, is to help empower people to get their product, get their message out to market. So when I see that in their mission statement, I really appreciate that, because that's really what I'm about, and hopefully that's what you're about as well. So what can we expect from Canva? It's going to be a little faster. It's going to have some more powerful images. It has more functionality than what it had before. They've added some search features to it, some discovery features, so that you don't have to scroll quite so much. There's snappable margins that you can put in anywhere. Canva has assistant guides to go through the design process, and so you'll be able to now access Canva in over 100 languages. So it's a lot more versatile, a lot more applications than what the original version was. But you can explore, you can express yourself, you can put a lot of different things out there. So how is it different? Well, they've made a few changes. Some of the updates are on the back end, so the minimal disruption for you or for me. But one of the things that I'll show you in a minute is that they have a new tabs section, new apps section on the left-hand side of the screen. So you'll be able to open up various apps. You'll be able to purchase any individual app, or you can purchase all of them as a bundle. But when you look at it, it's like, wow, for $13 a month, it's a pretty cheap upsell to buy the whole thing. But when you look at it, it's like, wow, that's a lot of value for $13. But if I didn't want to pay that much, and I simply wanted to upgrade and just have some branding kind of tools, then I would be able to do that, because that's one of the apps in the back office. Is Canva still free? Yes, it is. It's free, and that was one of the first things that really attracted me to Canva. It was a free platform. Once I got the hang of it, it was easy to use. It had a lot of value to me in a free format. What I'm doing now, though, is I'm in the process of upgrading. I've been so impressed with the functionality and the usefulness of the tool that I'm now going to upgrade it. One of the great things with the new platform too is that you'll be able to create a website, a landing page, and direct traffic to a landing page. You'll have access to all of your old designs, all the stuff that you had in Canva, we'll call it 1.0, but in the original version. But you'll only be able to edit them in the original version. You won't be able to edit those things, in Canva 2.0. So going forward, when you start a project in Canva 2.0, you're not going to be able to go backward with that project to use any of the tools in the original version, and vice versa. If it's saved in the original version, you're not going to be able to do any editing in 2.0. And that's okay, actually. One of the things that does for someone like me is it forces me to get into that application, to get into the new website and just use it. And if I need some of the old stuff, great, I can get it, it's there. But if I want it, I have to learn it, and I like that. I like how they're presenting it. So I'm going to get into my Canva account here for just a minute. You'll see one of the key features that's different is in this recommended section across the top. That's pretty much as it used to be. It looks a little different, but not a lot. But you used to have to be able to scroll through all kinds of designs to get to the one that you wanted. So if you're doing something for a Facebook post, which is over here, that's fine. But now I don't have to scroll through the entire portfolio of images like I had to do before. I simply click on the search function up here, and then I can scroll down. So here's presentation wide, which I love the presentation mode. I'm using that more and more. I did a poster yesterday. I did an update on a Facebook cover in the last couple of days as well. So there's a lot of great things. It's all right here. If you want to do a postcard, you can do a postcard. If you want to do a business card, which I'm in the process of updating mine, it's all right here. So we're going to click on business card for a second, and I'm going to slide the screen over just a little bit. So what you'll see right here on the left-hand side of the screen is the apps. And so I'm going to click on that for a second. And these are all the apps that are currently in a work bundle. And you upgrade to that monthly feature, then boom, you've got it. And really for $13 a month or $12.95 or whatever it is, it's well worth the value. But you can schedule now. And you can schedule things throughout the week, and you can schedule it on multiple platforms. It's a lot easier than having to go out and get Buffer or Hootsuite or any of those other platforms. You can do it all right here across many different social media platforms. The Animation Pro, I used that yesterday to build my first GIF, and you can do GIFs now using this. There's some other new apps that are down here, one for Facebook, and not quite sure what the one is down below that, but there is a new one coming soon. But you can purchase this as a bundle, or you can purchase them individually. So I think it's just an amazing value in how they put this together, and I'm really impressed with it. Your ability to do custom designs, I kind of skipped over that quickly, but you are able to still do custom designs, custom shapes if you want. Not a big deal. And initially, that's what I was doing a lot before I really understood the power of how to use their templates. I was creating my own templates, and I got pretty good at it, but it's just a lot easier to look at what they've already got. You can there's a lot of free templates out there. So we're going to look for one here in just a second. We're going to click on, looks like we're going to click on, let's see. We're going to go to Design. Click on Business Card. We'll go down here. And you're going to see various options show up in business cards. I am going to pick one. We're going to pick this one right here. And you didn't see it completely on the left-hand side of the screen, but there are certain things I love about this. I love the vibrancy of the color. The ability to change text and font is exactly the same as it was before. So I'm going to put in, actually it's the name of my company, Essential Health and Marketing Solutions. And you just save it. I can change the font just as you used to. So if you don't want to use the Racing Sands one, you can use any of the ones from before. But I just switched over to Advent Pro Bold. We'll click out of that. We'll come down to this, and again, if you want to have a different tagline or a different thing that describes what you do, then you simply type it in. And my tagline is equipping you to love your life. But the way Canva works is that if you want to move this up, you can move it up. if you want to take any of these banners or these, I'm not even sure which column, but if you want to move it, you can move it and put this, you know, more, let's see, more in the middle. How do we do that? Yeah, just pick it up, move it. You know, these images are in the they're in the image section or the elements section. They're easy to pull down, easy to find, and just insert into the design. Or in this case, it was already in the design. It's just easy to move it around. So we're going to put this back because I kind of liked it better on the other side where it was before. And get over there. There we go. And then we're going to move this up just a little bit. But it's as simple as that. This is a very, very easy, very, very easy platform to use. And I love what they do. I love how they do it. One of the things I don't understand about Canva is that they don't have an affiliate program. So I do a lot of affiliate marketing. This is one platform that I would be happy to market all day long. It's useful. It's easy to use. It's easy to learn. And especially with the landing page and the website and what you're now able to get when you upgrade into that paid monthly version, there are just so many uses for this that will replace other apps or other platforms that I'm on. And I can actually get out of some of that other stuff that I'm involved with and use this. It's going to be a lot more cost effective. So I hope you found value in this. My name again is Tom Stark. What I'd like you to do is to hit the subscribe button down below, and then right next to the subscribe button you will see the notification bell. Click that also so that you can get more notifications on valuable tips, and especially if you found this one of value, I would really, really appreciate it. Anyway, thank you very much. Have a great day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.